Today we will show you how to align the watch hands on your vívomove series watch using the Garmin Connect app. Alignment of the watch hands may be necessary after an intense workout or a few months of normal use. To align the watch hands using the Garmin Connect app, you will need your watch and your phone. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app and touching the device icon at the top to access the device settings. Touch Hand Alignment. Align the minute hand on your watch to 12 o'clock by rotating the wheel or using the plus and minus buttons. Touch Hour at the top and use the wheel or buttons to align the hour hand. Touch Save at the top when done aligning the watch hands. You will see a message on the watch when the alignment is complete. And that's it! You can now align the hands on your vívomove series watch using the Garmin Connect app. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.